Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy buffer for social media in dropshipping, full guide step by step clearly. To deploy buffer for social media in your dropshipping business, start by creating a buffer account. Visit the buffer website and click on the sign up button. Fill out the required information to create your account. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the buffer dashboard. Next, connect your social media accounts to buffer. Click on the Manage Social Accounts section. Select the social platforms you want to connect, such as Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter. Authorize Buffer to access your social media accounts. After connecting your accounts, navigate to the Content section of the dashboard. Here, you can begin to create and schedule posts. Start by clicking on the Add to Queue button. Enter your post content in the text box provided. You can include images or links by clicking on the appropriate icons. Once your post is ready, choose the specific social accounts for this post. Set a specific time for Buffer to publish your post or add it to the queue for automatic posting. Next, explore the Analytics feature to track your post performance. This helps understand which types of content resonate best with your audience. Regularly check these analytics to refine your social media strategy. Utilize Buffer's scheduling options to plan your posts in advance. This will ensure a consistent posting schedule. Engage with your audience by replying to comments from within Buffer. Use Buffer's mobile app to manage posts on the go. Monitor current trends in your niche to adjust your content accordingly. Experiment with different post types to see what drives engagement. Consider running A/B tests to optimize post timing and formats. Utilizing Buffer can greatly streamline your social media efforts in dropshipping. Consistency is key, so make it part of your routine. Find the right balance between promotional and engaging content. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.